I'm really looking forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
Ariel. What's that you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
If you would just listen.
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
Don't know how.
our collection. Have you lost your mind? Ari, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. No, but that is the biggest case. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better, don't wear it sweater. Take it from me. They work all day, they slave away. While we devote full time to float under the sea. And you play the flute, and the cop play the harp, and the bass play the bass, and the sound and shout. Oh, the bass play the brass, and the drum play the drum, and so that blowfish blow. Oh yeah, tell me, what is better than all this? Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! One more! Big finish! Oh! Sea! Under the sea! When there's nothing begin to begin, there's music to see. What do they got? A lot of time! We got a hot crustacean band. If you don't clap, you know how to jump you under the sea. Each little slug can touch it or rock you under the sea. Each little snail you know how to win you. That's why it's hotter under the water. Now we get luckier, now we get luckier under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Flossom, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
A sea witch?
No, angel fish. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you will belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can
You'll
I...
have your nose, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you.
That's okay. I'm Eric.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Word. Again, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Did you hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing it without. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look like the boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, if that's how they get the shade too bad. You gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Easy Mildred. Okay, no. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel. Ariel? It's kind of pretty.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, put us along and listen to the song. The song say, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, music dead. So my music said, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
That was close. Too close. And this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tentacles. Triton's daughter will be mine.
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy?
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.